In this video, I'll show you how to find the computer model number in Linux. For this demonstration, we'll use an Ubuntu Linux system. First, open the terminal. Run this command to get the system information. Scroll up to find the System Information section. From here, you can determine details such as the manufacturer, product name, serial number, and more. Alternatively, you can use grep to search for specific information. Additionally, the same command can be used in other Linux distributions, such as Red Hat-based Rocky Linux. And Debian-based Linux systems. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.